This is one of those moments where you think to yourself, why did I turn up this little track? Where we dropped in, there's no way I'm getting back out. Not getting out backwards. Not ideal.
We're about to get sooted on.
Yeah.
Oh, juicy. Nah, Dad, you're gonna have to hold left more because there's rocks all along here. It'll hold you that little bit up.
If you go back, I can throw some rocks under there, Chriso. Probably have a look, eh? That's great. A little bit of left, yep. Yep.
Jesus.
I'll dip his bull, alright. There for it.
Yep. That was a good line.
Maybe.
Where are you going? Oh, it's fucking slippery, eh?
seconds from disaster.
You need to be careful.
Righto! Righto, step back. Step away from the... Oh!
Oh!
Now we know which way it's going anyway.
Make sure it doesn't come back and kick him. Don't stand behind it, Michael. Michael, don't stand behind it.
It'll be slow motion, I think, mate.
Just holding yourself there.
How's like the step going?
Okay. How long are we here for, boys? Have a look at that. That is... Have a go at this. There's a little bit of a method going on here. We're going to have to sit like miles back.
What do you got there, Hillsy? Honey. Got some homebrew?
What a crew.
I want it.
Is that vodka?
Yep.
Look, no kindling needed. No kindling needed. A bottle of whatever that was.
Yeah.
Obviously you can't tell how steep this is. Get on your dog, quick! Drive, not reverse. No. What are you doing down there, boys? You're not unlocking my hubs, I hope. Yes. No. Yeah, no, it's on, right on the pumpkin now. Your wheel's off the ground. Throw the hook out.
Yeah, a winch it.
I'd hook from there. It's
Winch it.
only going to get uglier. It's not going to get prettier.
Yulka, did you drive up? Which way? Right in the middle. Yeah, in the middle. Yeah, look.
Show
your wheels, Misha. Misha.
Has someone got a winch for him?
So far on the bay.
Yeah.
And
Oh,
it
good.
just goes so high, just boom, it fell.
Righto.
It was like in there, and the gap was still lying on the side.
Yeah, I know. And so like I normally do. You rode up fucking way too high up the wall though, didn't you?
Yeah.
Yeah.
Way high. So high, it's not funny.
Yeah.
Yeah.
I'm actually going to do it. We always used to go the right. I'm just going to go straight through here this time.
Yeah.
It looks fine. I got that stupid big old TJ
My
bull bar.
biggest issue is
Sticks
the
right
lift.
out, but I'm just going to stick it in that gap.
Me and Yuri's got the same lift kit, so if he's made it, I should probably go over it as well.
Yeah.
Because I only got 3 inch, so
Yeah.
sometimes that bottom. So something you will see on the radio when you got a bad reception because it's always in space.
That's better. So you just needed a little bit drive it.
Look at the pumpkin mark he left.
Yeah. He could have drove that.
The top and I'm on the side line.
So-
We winched it off that tree.
Oh, yeah,
Josh
righto.
was behind me. You pull the winch, put the block to the rock slider.
So you just ran your right wheel right up that line, obviously, yeah.
I went too far up.
Oh, there you go. So last time you were up here, you fell over. How do you feel? You pretty happy about that?
A Jeep, mate, and you fell.
Is it got dial on it? Like 1, 2, 4, 3. Hello? Nah, Jochen, we didn't do that. That's something I will never do, man. This is just dog to do someone's house.
Just checking.
Nah, mate, it causes CV breakage. Just checking. He didn't trust us, did he?
Nah.
We're like, far out. It's coming. Yeah, here. Yeah. I went too far to the
Watch out.
right. Take 5.
Action.
That's what the boys do on their weekend. A dumb shit. Whoa! Really? Can he ask? Oops, I think he's way too far to the left. Did someone point a finger?
No, he's alright.
Oh, yeah.
I needed something on this side too. Go up a bit more.
Ah, the frog is stuck.
The frog, the spark.
The frog is stuck. Let's chop his legs off and eat them. Ho, 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 ho.
I'm gonna put more Put down gentle.
All I could hear was whoosh,
Stand back.
choo choo choo. Sound like the train was coming. Does he want a hand? Or is he all good?
He does about 5 or 6 centimeters.
Alright.
Easy. Shot it again.
What would you do without the cancel work? I went so high, I reckon I hit that rock. See that rock sticking out? I reckon I was above that rock. That's how high right I was.
So how many axles?
Two front CVs.
Yeah, two.
Not axles, 2 front CVs.
Oh, 2 front CVs.
And a front walker.
And a front locker. And one
And
of
I
the rear.
rolled it.
And a rear axle.
That was another time. I broke 2 rear.
And you rolled it all the same day.
No, at the same time I broke 2 rear CVs or 2 front CVs and a walker, and I rolled it at the same time. Yep.
Oh, sure.
Yeah.
Awesome. Bit of a 90 hill.
What have we got, Mark? This doesn't look anywhere near as bad as the other one. It's not undercut. Right, I'll stand back and let you do your thing. Yeah, dog. Just hang on for a sec. Yeah, it's pretty about the right. I think the line's straight up the middle. By the looks of it. You were just up on that rock there, but you probably got to be. It might be you just might need a bit of roll. You're hitting that one lump on the left is what you're hitting, but you've already got, that's really the line though, so maybe a little bit more movement. And once you're over that, you're laughing. Keep going, keep going, keep going.
Today, we have Mr. Nathan Tyler doing dumb shit. That's what he usually does on weekend. He's just about to drive over me, so I have to quickly jump out of the way. That's what I'm doing.
Yeah!
Okay, boys and girls, if you see this situation up here, that's something you'll never do it at home. But you always do it in the bush.
Quick, here! Good boy. Fuck, that was nice. Here you go. Here, up here, quick! Here! Up here! actually looks okay. If you can go left hand down and back a little bit, it'd probably be better, but I don't know if you can. Bit more left. Right, now a bit of right and head up, I reckon. Just bounce up over that bit, that shit bit. No, I'll see what it's sitting on. Oh, put a couple more rocks here, eh? Come back. Just come back till your wheel's still on top, rightio. Wheel's still on top, just stop there for a sec, mate. Yep, that's online for the rocks now. Why is it so different to what we did? I'd go up a gear, I reckon, a little bit more momentum, but that's because I'm Cindy.
Oh!
Mate, we'll have days like that. I'm ready for a beer now though. I don't want to fall asleep an hour ago if I'd had one. Yeah, slack ass. Oh, GC's high. Oh my god. How did your car fare for the day, Nathan?
Yeah, pretty good. The only damage is my exhaust, really.
Are you right there?
Sounds like a Harley.
Your parents must be really proud of you. You're going to paint these, are you going to paint them a different colour than pink before you get invited back?
Yeah, so
Cool, here we go.
I was speaking about it with Kale before, and every time I repaint, I'm just going to use a different colour of the rainbow, and then eventually we'll have the gay pride flag.
Okay. What's this, the Datsun, is this a lightning process you have to make the car lighter? The Datsun lighting, self-lightening process?
Oh, it's just so when you go into tight tracks, you don't scrape on as much stuff.
You're a weapon. So we bent that today. Not overly impressed. But doesn't matter. It's my fault.
Learn from me, you were too wide.
Did dumb track. Not too bad. That'll panel beat out. Anything more romantic than this, Okie? Hey, sunset up on the lookout at Janowen. Just you and me. And him and him and him and him and him and him and him.